Okay, are your eyes closed?
Yeah.
Okay, keep them closed, okay? Close them. Keep them closed. Okay, open them. What is it? Is that a Spider-Man scooter?
Yeah.
How cool is that? What do you say to Cousin Renee and Aunt Carmen?
Thank you.
Tell them it's your birthday.
It's my birthday.
Oh, where are you going to ride that at?
Over here.
Oh, over here?
Yeah.
And what do you wear when you ride that?
A helmet.
That's right. Oh, you like that, huh? Is that cool or what?
Now I have 2 scooters like my sister.
Yeah, but you don't have another Spider-Man. That's your first Spider-Man.
No, but I just have 2 Spider-Man scooters, right? But that's a different. I don't have 2 Spider-Man ones.
Nope, that's your first Spider-Man one.
Yeah, this is my first Spider-Man.
So we'll let your daddy put it together later, okay?
Okay.
Okay. Say I love you, Auntie Carmen.
I love you, Auntie Carmen.
Say I love you, Cousin Renee.
I love you, Cousin Mary.
And thank you a bunch.
Thank you a bunch.
And bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Wave.
Wait.
Oh, you wave.
You.
Wave to them. Say goodbye. Where's their wave?
Bye.